Hello friends, today we are learning how to find out a quadratic expression using its factors. For example, we are being given x plus 3 is one of the factor and next x plus 4 is another factor for any quadratic equation. So how to find out that expression? Let's see. First of all, we will make like this. Without multiplying the expressions like this, we will make it like this. Here we will write the x numbers, here we will write the constant numbers 3, 4. Now multiplying these two, here it is x square, multiplying these two, here it will be 12. Upper multiplication, x multiply 3, 3x. In the same way, lower multiplications, we will get 4x. Now adding these two, 3x plus 4x, we will get 7x. So we will get the expression x square plus 7x plus 12. Similarly, we can take one more example here, x plus 2 and x plus 3. These are two factors and we have to find out its quadratic equation. Make it like tic-tac-toe game. Now place this one x and this one x, place 2 this constant and this constant. Now do the multiplication alongwise, x square, here multiplication, we will get 6, multiplication upper sides, we will get 2x, multiplication of lower sides, we will get 3x. Now adding these two, 2x plus 3x, we will get 5x, and so here we will get the answer x square plus 5x plus 6. So you can take one more example, x plus 4 and x plus 7. You can write the answers in the comment section.